What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to understand Fundbox's credit score requirements. Are you wondering exactly what kind of credit score you need to qualify for Fundbox? Let's break it down clearly. First step, know your Fundbox's minimum requirements. Now Fundbox does not publish an exact minimum score, but generally a FICO score of 600 plus gives you a much better shot. Fundbox focuses more on cash flow and business health than just credit score. Step 2, business versus personal credits. Now Fundbox may review both personal and business credit, especially if you're a sole proprietor. Keep both in good standings. You want to avoid missed payments, reduce high credit utilization, and of course monitor reports for errors. Step 3, credit isn't everything. Now Fundbox also weighs connected bank data, accounting software history, consistent revenue over time. So even if your score is modest, strong financial activities can help. Now step 4, improve before applying. If your credit is borderline, then you want to pay down credit card balances, avoid late payments for at least 3 to 6 months, and of course build positive activity before applying or reapplying. Credit score matters, but it's only part of the picture. Fundbox values real-time financial health, so stay consistent and connected. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.